distinguished guests, my fellow directors, Dr. Nautiyal, Professor Alok Dhawan, and Team CSIR Lucknow, it is my proud privilege to welcome you all on this important occasion to celebrate 73rd Foundation Day of CSIR at CDRI Lucknow. CSIR India is a parental organization of science and technology in India, which in fact have triggered silent revolution of Indian industries and made life affordable in all walks of life. Before proceeding further, I express my sincere gratitude to Professor A.K. Tyagi, Director NIPGR, New Delhi, for generously acceding to our request to grace this occasion as our chief guest. Professor Tyagi is among the few Indian plant scientists who have ventured to bring together knowledge of molecular physiology, genomics, and transgenic to study, analyze, and improve crop growth and yield. I really appreciate the leadership of Professor Tyagi in efforts for crop improvement through genomic consortiums to ensure food security. We all are very fortunate to have you here, sir, today on this befitting occasion. Sir, I, on behalf of CSIR Family Lucknow, as well as on my personal behalf, most cordially welcome you on this occasion. I am extremely grateful to Professor Dhawan, ex-director CDRI, my mentor, for consenting to my request to preside over this function. Professor B.N. Dhawan, during his tenure as director CDRI, made a lasting impact on the research programs of the institute. His contributions in pharmacology, particularly neuropharmacology, are well recognized and have been a force behind several herbal drugs from CDRI like Keenmine and Pecrolim. Sir, I cordially welcome you to this program. I extend my special welcome to esteemed predecessor, Dr. Nityanand, who continues to inspire us with his zeal and dedication. I also welcome Professor P.K. Seth, CEO Biotech Park, special invitees, Dr. Puri, and senior retired scientists from CDRI and sister labs of Lucknow. I also welcome academicians and various academicians from various organizations of Lucknow, colleagues from CDRI, CMAP, NBRI, and IITR. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all on my personal behalf as well as on the behalf of CSIR team to this function. Finally, I warmly welcome friends from press and media. Today's celebration is a historic occasion for Team CSIR Lucknow. Nearly after 6 years, we all have come together under one roof to celebrate the Foundation Day of CSIR, our organization. At this juncture, I would like to thank Professor Alok Dhawan for initiating this move by calling a meeting of all the directors of Lucknow, and this opened up the way for joint Foundation Day organization. Historically, CSIR origin can be traced to the Board of Scientific and Industrial Research, BSIR, which was created on 1st April 1940 for a period of 2 years with Sir Arcot Ramaswamy Mudaliar as the chairman and Professor S.S. Bhatnagar as its director, with an annual budget of Rs 5 lakh. Dr. Bhatnagar soon persuaded the government to set up an industrial research utilization committee for translating results into application. The government then agreed to make a separate fund out of the royalties received from industry for further investment into industrial research. Exceptional work by BSIR soon paved the way for the constitution of CSIR as an autonomous body, and CSIR came into operation on 26 September 1942. This sincere effort of Dr. Bhatnagar led to the creation of NCL Pune, the first lab under the CSIR, for which foundation stone was laid on 6 April 1947, 4 months before India became independent. NPL Delhi, NML Jamshedpur, CFRI Dhanbad, CGCRI Kolkata and CFTRI Mysore were established by 1950. Our institute, CDRI, seventh in the chain, was established in the year 1951 with the mandate to strengthen, advance the field of drug research and development in this country. CSIR NBRI was originally set up as National Botanical Gardens by the state government of Uttar Pradesh, which was taken over by CSIR in 1953. The institute rose to the stature of being NBRI in 1978. CSIR CMAP was originally set up as Central Indian Medicinal Plant Organization in 1959. It is steering multidisciplinary, high-quality research in biological and chemical sciences and is extending technologies and services to farmers and entrepreneurs of medicinal and aromatic plants. CSIR IITR was established in 1965 as a multidisciplinary research institute with a mandate to work on safety to environment and health, and services to industry, addresses problems critical to human health and environment. It is currently celebrating the 50th year of its existence. Today, having pan-India presence, CSIR has a dynamic network of 38 national laboratories, 39 outreach centers, 3 innovation complexes, and 5 units. Today, CSIR is a technology leader in the area of generic drugs, industrial catalysts, and leather technology. CSIR is a national flag bearer in IPR generation and protection. CSIR builds country's largest science and technology human resource through research grants, fellowships, awards, postgraduates in niche area, and PhDs in science and engineering. CSIR technology has become an integral part of populace from all walks of life. Like we know Amul milk powder, the ink used in elections, Kangra tea, Sonalika tractor, DNA fingerprinting, Saheli, bamboo cultivation, mushroom culture, EMAL, streptokinase, supercomputer, and many more, for which we all of us proud of our association with CSIR. I always feel fortunate to be part of such a vibrant organization which has impacted the technology scenario in India. It is equally gratifying to state that CSIR Labs of Lucknow, since their inception, have remained as a prominent institute of this mega organization through their outstanding contributions in terms of products and technologies for affordable healthcare, CSIR CDRI in pursuit of affordable healthcare for all, CSIR IITR in pursuit to mitigate problems of human health and environment, CSIR NBRI in the pursuit of plant-based research to touch the life through innovations, and CSIR CMAP is in the pursuit of technologies and service to the farmers and entrepreneurs of medicinal and aromatic plants. Since inception, Team CSIR Lucknow has made huge impact with technologies, human resource, and new knowledge generation to pave the way for future. I give this opportunity to salute all those brilliant personalities who actually made this organization a nation's pride. On this occasion, I wish to congratulate Team CSIR Lucknow for CSIR Technology Award 2015, which is awarded to CMAP for the development of improved varieties and promotion of cultivation of medicinally important ashwagandha for improving the economy of small and marginal farmers in semi-arid tropical regions of Deccan Plateau. And this is the reason Dr. Tripathi, director of CMAP, is not present here, and he has gone to actually receive that award. CDRI and NBRI have recognized and contributors in the aforesaid endeavor. So I wish many more such awards to Team CSIR in future. I will not take much time of yours, as everyone is keen to hear today's Foundation Day lecture. I once again cordially welcome you all to this function. Thank you so much.